Hey guys, welcome back to my channel natassiar1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing marshmallow root tea. I'm also going to explain its benefits and the recipe on how to brew this miraculous tea. So stick around as we get into it. So what is marshmallow root? Marshmallow root is not your candy from your typical candy store. Okay, it's called marshmallow root because it's fluffy like the candy. However, it's a herbal plant that is native to Africa and parts of Europe. So marshmallow root is actually a natural mucilage. What that means is that it has the consistency of mucus when you brew it as a tea. I know it sounds disgusting. However, it is fantastic for your overall health. Marshmallow root tea or marshmallow root itself has been known to treat colds and coughs in Egyptian times. It's been added to throat lozenges to help to soothe a sore throat. It's also fantastic for your digestion. It repairs the gut lining if you have leaky gut syndrome or any issues with your colon. It creates a barrier between harmful microbes and bad bacteria so that you have a stronger digestive system. It's also fantastic for acid reflux. It reduces it. So it creates a barrier between your stomach acid and the reflux that pushes up into your esophagus just by consuming the tea on its own. Marshmallow root is also a natural anti-inflammatory. What that means is if you're facing inflammation in the body, whether you have arthritis or whether you have autoimmune disease, it's fantastic for you as a natural remedy. It's also great for your skin. You can apply the tea or mix it into your creams and use it topically on your skin. It's anti-irritant, it's anti-inflammatory. So if you have a breakout, it's fantastic. You can even add it into any of your clay masks if you want to have a facial and soothe the skin. So marshmallow root, fantastic all-rounder that you can use for skin and gut health. Now let's get into brewing this amazing tea. So first of all, I must say that marshmallow root is a natural herb and root, as you can see. So how you brew this tea is I take a jug and I put a tea strainer and I add 2 to 3 scoops of the marshmallow root. You can add as much more or less depending on your taste preference and whether you can handle the earthy, pungent smell and taste of this herb. I add boiling hot water to it. You let it steep for about 2 hours minimum if you want a golden liquid that's palatable and easily to drink. I usually leave it overnight, and what that does is it really makes it thick, similar to the consistency of a pure liquid as well as a bit of a gelatin wobbly feel to it. Once you're done, you can strain the tea and you get this golden liquid as I speak about, and you pour it into your glass. Now, as I said, because it's quite pungent, I don't really like the taste, to be honest. It's quite earthy for me. So what I do is I add honey, I add ginger, you can add some lemon, whatever it takes, even mint leaves to just improve the taste profile of this tea, and then you consume it. You can have it once a day, you can have it once a week. Again, if you have an existing condition, I would speak to my GP or my doctor before consuming any of these natural remedies. And then, if he gives you the go ahead, he or she, then you can consume this tea as a daily routine. So guys, it's that simple. You've got a new tea to add to your daily routine. If you like today's content, you like today's recipe, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my YouTube channel, on social media. I even have a website where you can take a look at some of the products that I feature. So it's www.natassiar1.com. And thanks for tuning in, guys. Until next time.